Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 RAV4. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, Inside you'll find smart device integration, lane departure warning, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. Your new ride is just a phone call away.